With the new normal, we've got a lot more wiping down to do. So one of my favorite things is a wipe down with the Rejuvenate wipes. The reason I love them is there's only a 60-second contact time. So I can go through and wipe everything down, and the surface only needs to be wet for 60 seconds. Make sure that you're getting all the touchable surfaces. So think about if someone's sitting down, where their hands could possibly touch. That means not just the top of your table, but also the front of your table. It's summer, so potentially their hands and their knees are touching the front of your table, the front underside of your table. And remember that surface needs to be wet for 60 seconds. So if I come back over and look at the chair, my surface is still wet. So as long as it stays wet for 60 seconds, I'm good to go for disinfection with my Rejuvenate wipes. Same thing with my table. As long as my surface stays wet for 60 seconds, I'm good to go for disinfection. This is why I also love them for all the containers that I've touched, such as my nail polish bottles, my glitter bottles, etc. Quick and easy. You can see the chair is still wet, so it's definitely going to meet that 60-second contact time. The table is staying wet, so it's definitely going to meet that 60-second contact time, and I'm going to have a great disinfection, and it didn't take me that long to wipe everything down. I hope you are staying safe in this new normal, and I wish you all the best.